The next day, my friends came together to pack away my clothes, my personal belongings, and what was left of my life.
All right, ladies, lift him up. To Mary Alice, a good friend and neighbor. Wherever you are, we hope you've found peace.
To Mary Alice. To Mary Alice.
Let's get this show on the road. Let's get this show on the road.
Seeing as Jock and me were the brains of the operation, it was time for our brains to start operating. Right, let's get this show on the road. I'll call B. Right, we need you to get back to the shop now and distract Edie for as long as possible.
So if someone with great hair and a tie could approve the funding to update said server, we could get this show on the road. And
Put in a requisition, Garcia.
Thank you, sir. Filing form 9093B now.
Oh, it's a rose.
It's not just any rose. Look at all the petals. There's no flaws. It's perfect.
Oh, John.
Just like you.
The truth hit her like a thunderbolt.
I spent days looking for just the right one. Finally found it.
For John, this was no longer a meaningless little affair. Gabrielle could now clearly see he was falling in love with her.
It's just beautiful.
The truth hit her like a thunderbolt. The truth hit her like a thunderbolt.
But I've been underestimated my entire life. Failure to thrive at birth? Fuck that. Puberty at 19? When it hit like a fucking thunderbolt. Third grade reading level in the 10th grade? Everything that I have been through in my entire life.
Act idiotic, but we're not stupid. We demand justice. Why, the real meaning of the word probably hits you like a ton of bricks. Roger! Roger, say something.
Here's your dessert. Thank you. Mike, this looks yummy.
Oh, look at that. Looks like Bongo's finally warming up to Susan.
Oh! Yo, we just got off on the wrong foot. We're best buddies now. Yo, we just got off on the wrong foot. We're best buddies now.
We've got enough on the wrong foot. I don't mean to be discourteous.
All pie on your first day, man. That way they think that's who you are. But no, you had to go and make a good impression and get off on the right foot. Now you're screwed.
Here's what I pulled for Edie. I should warn you that most of the clothes in there aren't that stylish.
Oh, don't worry about it. Edie's a beggar now, which means she can't be a chooser. Of course, we don't have to add salt to the wound. Oh, don't worry about it. Edie's a beggar now, which means she can't be a chooser. Oh, don't worry about it. Edie's a beggar now, which means she can't be a chooser.
I'd say it isn't necessary to take me in, but you did try to eat me, and, well, with Dawn coming, beggars can't be choosers. Or should they be?
Started having feelings for the person I was having sex with. But beggars can't be choosers. I'm on a date with you. Sorry.